In today's video, I really wanted to try the baked oatmeal. It's an old but trending topic, and lately I have been craving sweets. Normally I don't have anything sweet for breakfast, but when I saw this, I just had to try it. It's something very simple to put together. It took a little longer to bake than expected, but the outcome was absolutely delicious. So here is the recipe. For this recipe, you'll need half a cup of oats. I have gluten-free oats, half a cup of oat milk, 1 egg, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And you'll also need a ramekin, and my ramekin is an 8-ounce, and this made enough for 2 8-ounce ramekins. Toppings, I also added praline pecans chopped up and some sugar-free dark chocolate chips. Currently, this is my favorite brand of no sugar baking chips or chocolate chips. I add it to everything. To make the batter, just add all of the ingredients to a blender and blend it all together until it's nice and smooth. The ramekins will need to be greased or buttered because it will help the cake to not stick. And again, my batter was enough to fill 2 8-ounce ramekins about 3/4 of the way full. I decided to try baking these in my air fryer, so I have it on the bake setting at 350, and I started them out for 20 minutes. It seemed really jiggly at first. I wasn't very confident in how well they were baked in the center, and I think because I've seen this where I don't think an egg is even used, I think just a banana is used, and I added egg. So I feel like my batter was very wet. Anyways, I decided to bake it for a little longer, so I added about 15 minutes more. And so mine baked for about 35 minutes, and I felt that they came out perfect then. I just topped the baked oatmeal with fresh banana slices. I put some praline pecans that I chopped up right over it, and then some of the sugar-free chocolate chips. This made it especially enticing for my toddler to eat because he literally thinks he's eating a dessert. And with the added egg, it's just a little more protein and more energy for him, not as if he needs it, but this made a really nice breakfast. And we normally don't eat sweet things for breakfast, but this was nice for a change. So I hope you like this video and give this a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.